Every guy needs to be on top of his game nearly every single day, but not having a solid daily plan can really mess with reaching that peak. Without a plan, you'll just watch the days slip by, picking up bad habits that get in the way of doing your best. If you roll out of bed each day without clear goals or what you should be doing, boredom will set in and you'll likely fall into endlessly scrolling through social media, which won't get you anywhere. In this video, I'll walk you through creating an awesome daily routine that amps up your productivity. Here's how to kick things off. Step 1. Look sharp. In a world where first impressions are pivotal, presenting yourself with care and attention can open doors and opportunities. Whether you're diving into academia, stepping into a professional setting, or steering your own entrepreneurial venture, your appearance speaks volumes before you utter a single word. It's far beyond mere vanity. It's about self-respect and the confidence that naturally follows when you know you look your best. Initiating your day with a grooming routine is more than a task. It's a ritual that sets the tone for what's ahead. It starts with skincare, embracing the habit of cleansing, moisturizing, and protecting your skin against the elements. This isn't about elaborate regimes, but nurturing your skin's health, ensuring it reflects your inner vigor. Next, consider your attire. Dressing sharply doesn't necessarily mean donning a suit and tie, but choosing clothes that fit well, match your personal style, and are appropriate for the day's activities. This attention to detail shows you take yourself and your commitments seriously. Finally, your hair. A well-maintained hairstyle completes the picture, whether it's neatly trimmed or stylishly long. It's not about conforming to stereotypes, but finding a style that best represents you. Embracing these elements of grooming and presentation not only elevates your external appearance, but reinforces your self-esteem and readiness to tackle the day's challenges with confidence. Step 2. Early to bed, early to rise. Embracing the mantra of early to bed, early to rise is a transformative habit that can significantly impact your overall well-being and productivity. This timeless wisdom underscores the importance of a disciplined sleep schedule, aligning your body's internal clock with the natural rhythms of day and night. By committing to this practice, you unlock a host of benefits that extend far beyond mere physical rest. Sleeping early sets the stage for a deep, restorative night's sleep, allowing your body and mind to rejuvenate and repair. This is the time when your muscles grow, tissues repair, and hormones that regulate growth and appetite are released. It's not just about the quantity of sleep, but the quality, ensuring you wake up refreshed and energized, ready to seize the day. Rising early affords you the luxury of a quiet, undisturbed morning, a precious window for self-reflection, meditation, or indulging in a hobby. It's an opportunity to plan your day, set goals, and prioritize tasks without the distractions that come later. This head start can lead to increased productivity, as mornings are often the most productive time of the day for many people. Moreover, aligning with the natural light cycle can improve your mood and mental health, offering a sense of accomplishment before the day officially begins. In essence, adopting an early-to-bed, early-to-rise lifestyle is not just about discipline. It's a holistic approach to enhancing your life, one night and morning at a time. Step 3. Prioritize health. Putting your health first is like making sure your car has gas and is running smoothly before a long trip. It's all about the basics: eating right, drinking plenty of water, and getting enough sleep. Think of food as your body's fuel. Choosing healthy snacks and meals gives you the energy to get through the day and keeps your mind sharp. Water is super important too. It keeps you hydrated, helps you stay focused, and even keeps your skin looking good. Sleep is another big one. Getting to bed at a good time and making sure you get enough rest isn't just about avoiding feeling tired. Good sleep helps your body fix itself, keeps your heart healthy, and even makes you happier. Exercise is part of this step too. It doesn't have to mean lifting heavy weights or running a marathon. It could be a quick walk, some stretches, or a fun dance-off in your living room. Moving around makes you feel good, helps you sleep better, and is a great way to take a break from screen time. Putting health first isn't complicated. It's about making small choices every day that add up to feeling great. It's like building a Lego set. Each piece matters to see the whole picture. So, eat well, drink water, sleep enough, and keep moving. Step 4. Move your body. Incorporating physical activity into your daily routine is not just a boost for your physical health, but a cornerstone for mental clarity and emotional well-being. Move your body is a call to action, urging you to embrace movement in all its forms, recognizing it as a powerful tool for transformation and self-improvement. Whether it's a structured workout at the gym, a brisk walk in the park, yoga in your living room, or cycling to work, the act of moving your body has profound impacts. Exercise releases endorphins, often referred to as happiness hormones, which can elevate your mood and reduce feelings of stress and anxiety. Regular physical activity improves cardiovascular health, strengthens muscles, and enhances flexibility, contributing to overall physical resilience and longevity. But the benefits extend beyond the physical realm. Exercise sharpens focus, boosts creativity, and enhances cognitive function, making it easier to tackle daily tasks and challenges. Moreover, committing to a routine of movement instills discipline and builds self-esteem. Every time you choose activity over inactivity, you reinforce a commitment to your health and well-being, fostering a sense of achievement. This step is about finding joy in movement, exploring different activities to keep you engaged and motivated. By making exercise an integral part of your life, you not only improve your physical health, but also cultivate a mindset geared towards growth, resilience, and continuous improvement. Step 5. Get down to business. After you've got yourself looking sharp, woke up early, stayed healthy, and moved around, it's time to really start your day. Getting down to business means focusing on what you need to do. It's like when you sit down to play a video game or work on a big puzzle, you know you've got a mission to complete. First thing, make a list of what you need to do. It can be anything from homework, chores, or projects you're working on. Seeing your tasks written down makes them less scary and helps you remember everything. Then, start with the hardest thing first or the one you're least looking forward to. It's like eating your veggies before getting to the dessert. Once the tough stuff is out of the way, everything else feels easier. Take breaks when you need to. If you've been working hard for a while, stand up, stretch, or walk around for a bit. It's like hitting the pause button on a game to grab a snack. You come back feeling better and ready to keep going. Remember, it's not about doing everything perfectly, but doing your best. And it's okay to ask for help if you're stuck. Getting down to business is all about tackling your day with a plan and doing your best to stick to it. Step 6. Reflect. After a busy day of doing your best, it's important to take a step back and think about how everything went. This is like at the end of the day when you sit down and think about the game you played or the movie you watched. You think about what you liked, what surprised you, or even what you learned. Reflecting is just sitting quietly for a little bit and asking yourself some questions. What did you do really well today? Maybe you finished a big task or helped someone out. It's like giving yourself a pat on the back. Then, think about what could have gone better. Maybe you got distracted or forgot something. That's okay. It's all about learning and doing better next time. You can also think about what made you happy or what was tough. This helps you understand more about yourself and what you need to do more or less of. Lastly, make a quick plan for tomorrow based on what you learned today. It's like setting up the next level of the game before you play it. Reflecting isn't about being hard on yourself. It's about learning and growing. It's how you get better and happier with every day. Stick with this routine for a solid half a year to a year, and you'll witness significant enhancements in how you look, your physical condition, your work output, and your ability to control yourself. By following this regimen day after day, you're honing your discipline to its finest and embracing a strength that will elevate you to the top tier. Get those plans and systems ready to begin your growth journey. Don't forget to check out my other videos and hit that subscribe button